You want to be Mickey, huh? Yeah. I was thinking the same thing myself. Well, I'm glad that you had a good time. You have a good time over at Grammy and Grampy's today? She's starting to get frustrated. Don't be frustrated.
She's not getting frustrated. She's got a poo-poo diaper.
You got a poo-poo diaper? She said, well, change it, Dada.
I will. Are you looking at the camera now? Are you cheesing for the camera?
She's like, I want to change and I want some milk.
How about some rice? You want some rice cereal? Well, we could do that. Really? Would you have a message for everyone? Do you have a message you want to tell everyone? Anything else? Or is that
Now she's looking at the tree.
Okay, you got anything else? Because I'm going to turn it off. Tempe. Okay. Okay, can you say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
Say bye-bye.